Hello, this is gonna be my first video attempt anyway. I'm gonna start gluing a small plate that I've just recently broken. Basically there are 5 pieces altogether, and I'm gonna use instant glue. And what I usually do is use instant glue for basically a couple of areas, like here and here, being more than enough to actually hold a small piece like this for seconds, pressing down, and then repeat the process basically. By the way, my name is Alex. Of course, there are people who know me. Okay, and then I'll try to move on with the rest of the piece and try to do my best live, because this is gonna be the first live attempt. Anyway, hello Sheila, how are you? Now, this is gonna be tough because it's a pretty biggie one. Anyway, okay, we have something here going on. I'm trying to locate small holes so that it can leave room for the adhesive to work without actually creating a problem, because yes, perfect. So I try always find areas that some material is missing in order to substitute that material with glue. And that's my way of doing things. And this way you don't have excess glue coming out, and you have a perfect match, so to speak. Anyway, so we have here, yep, we have glue missing here, material missing here and here, in the ring and somewhere here. I don't know whether you can see it, guys, but we have a small hole here and another tinier one here, and why we one in the ring as well. I think I'll prefer the one in the blue ring. It's larger, so it will enable more glue to go in. So yes. Yes, and perhaps here too. Okay. I'm gonna hold it for some seconds. And there you go. I think we have it already. Okay. And we have one. Okay, almost perfect. But I need to wait a bit, not to create a mess of things. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, I love me. So again, in the area where we have a hole, an area that we have material missing, and again the second chosen area where we have material missing, and we have Bolero by Ravel playing on the stereo, but I know that you cannot hear it, guys, because it's beginning, the start of the piece, so it's not as loud. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, yes, yes, yes. So we have another hole here, which I just find out. So we have a perfect match, guys. Yes, 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 we do. This crack existed before because this was basically a present by a guy down in the market, in the flea market, and it was basically back then the first time ever some merchant giving me something. So that's why basically I'm gluing it, because it has more sentimental value than anything else. It has no value, actually. No real value, anyway. So it is a friend of mine. He's a friend of mine now. So that's basically why I'm gluing it. Okay. See you guys next time. Perhaps with a more difficult project. But then again, this would be the first time ever. So see you guys next time.